Hi, I'm Dawn Spirinello, the high-rise construction manager for Madison Homes. Let's go take a look at our mock-up suite. The last time we were in this space, it was just at the rough-in stage. As you can see, we are about 99% there. The next important step is for all of the purchasers to pay close attention to their inbox and their mailbox. Madison Homes is going to be sending you a lot of important information regarding the next step in this process, which is the PDIs and pre-delivery inspections. Behind me is the kitchen. As you can see, this suite is fitted out with contemporary finishes. We have a beautiful granite countertop in this suite, as well as glass backsplashes, integrated lights under the cabinets, and behind me here you can see we have a built-in cooktop and a built-in wall oven. Let's go take a look at some of the other rooms. Here's one of the bathrooms. We have some nice quartz countertops, integrated medicine cabinets, and we even have frameless shower glass. Let's go take a look and see what else is happening at Madison. We're here in one of the other suites still in progress. It'll be completed to the same finished standards as we saw in the mock-up unit. Among the many trades working on site to get these suites finished include plumbers, electricians, drywallers, and floor installers. We're here in one of the amenity areas, and this is going to be the future party room. In light of how this space appears to be unfinished, in fact, quite a bit of work is still going on to complete these areas, such as all the ductwork and plumbing and mechanical equipment that goes up in the ceiling. At our next construction update, we'll come back here and take a look and see how this space is transformed. I'm Dawn Spirinello for the Madison. See you next time.